This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite the one to be changed. Open the tailgate, release the clips and lift out the floor covering. Undo the retainer and lift out the spare wheel. Remove the toolkit from the spare wheel well, then remove the various tools from the bag. Using the tool provided, pull the wheel trim from place. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Where applicable, pull the jacking point cover from the door sill trim panel. Locate the head of the jack under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Then rotate the handle clockwise until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the spare wheel over the hub and insert and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Lower the vehicle to the ground, remove the jack. Then securely tighten the wheel bolts. Refit the jacking point cover where applicable. Stow the toolkit and wheel in the spare wheel well, then secure them by rotating the retainer clockwise. Refit the floor covering. And clip it into place. Don't forget the wheel trim and the wheel chocks. Wheel bolts should be tightened to 110 Newton meters at the earliest opportunity.